Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Instagram on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for Instagram and hit enter. Go to Instagram, click on install and install Instagram on your computer. Okay, it will need a while. It is preparing to download. It is checking the dependency services. Now it has installed and now I'll click on open. And now I can simply enter my credentials and this one too. And then I'm in. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.